Carroll Stream Rhino CS190ESB 16 horsepower gas engine is a reliable, high-performing engine that promises top-notch functionality for your hydraulic pumps, power washers, air compressors, go-karts, golf carts, and more. With a 420cc displacement and 3-amp charging system, you can be assured of the power, efficiency, and reliability of this 4-stroke OHV single-cylinder engine. The Rhino CS190ESB is also equipped with both electric and pull start, which effortlessly combines efficiency and practicality, ensuring you get the best of both worlds. The 1-inch diameter shaft is standard and versatile, fitting a wide range of applications. Despite its powerful features, this engine is lightweight, making it convenient to transport and handle. But don't let that weight fool you. This engine boasts durable construction, ensuring it stands the test of time and rigorous use. This Carroll Stream 16 horsepower gas engine is a favorite for commercial, industrial, and recreational use. Its adaptability and power make it an excellent choice for a variety of applications and an ideal replacement for many brands. So if you're ready to experience unparalleled performance, click the link below to purchase the Carroll Stream Rhino CS190ESB 16 horsepower gas engine now. Or get in touch with us if you have more questions. We are always ready to assist. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. For full stock listings, visit carrollstream.com by clicking on the link below. If you have any questions or wish to place an order, give us a call at 888-208-2088 and talk to one of our knowledgeable professionals. Together, we can get your engines revving.